All right, guys, we pulled the 89 Chevy out of the woods. We're fixing to build her. Real problem we got is she's two-wheel drive. Now let's go back to the back and cut this transfer case out so we can make this thing full-wheel drive. These tires ain't gonna cut it, y'all. Stay tuned, we got something big for you.
That fucking adapter looks sweet.
On this episode, these rednecks will be trying to build on an extreme budget. Stay tuned.
And I have got more in this motherfucker than you can.
This is the most expensive thing of this whole truck. $70 for a $30 pump. Hit me up, dude. Help me out.
Would you say it's easier to work on a mud truck because you can sit underneath?
I'd say it's much more convenient to sit upright, you know, and like if your brake broke down in a mud hole, you can kind of just hang out and watch people, you know, if you're pissed off, you can kind of watch everybody still, you know, people watch, and then go back to work.
Just a liter of cola.
About 5 gallons and a Capri Sun container came out of there. Now we're gonna hook it up to the old fuel pressure regulator. Remember, if you watched the last video, hit the link up above if you haven't, but when we got this for free, we threw this carburetor on here. Now we're gonna hook fuel up for the first time. We got a fuel leak. Fixed. I don't know if I got squirters or not. Fire in the hole.
Well, the auto got stuck on me. She started right up. Like she's been running. It's been months since the first start. And 12 years before that. She's running pretty damn smooth. She.
Got this vacuum cap kit. I'll close off my vacuum leaks real quick.
Already got her tuned up better. Gotta cut them pipes off though. Too bad she ain't got a cam in her. Ain't got no bolts in the manifold. Will this work off the little pressure washer? No. Will we try it? Yes. Maybe. Not confident. Probably gonna run out of control and we'll know what happened.
That's DOT approved right there. Check that out. Oh, dude, I might leave this in from screw this down for Mudfest. This is comfortable. All right, let's try not to die. Put my key up right there. Oh, hell yeah. She's gonna move, baby. She's actually kind of peppy. I'm driving it. I'm coating everything.
Throw the hook up here. Hold on. All right, we got a Corey knot that's never come out. And then we're hooked to the handle on the ratchet. All right, that'll work.
Hey, man. Hey, man. That bitch locked up, huh? They don't have one. off and see what's wrong with it, and then just get rid of it, you know, fix it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Jack flopping?
Oh!
Yep.
Oh, don't let it hit your truck.
I won.
It was good. If it broke loose, it would. I was so scared it was gonna follow you.
It's something like mechanical. It's not.
It's definitely binding up as it spins. Yeah.
Yeah, the back wheel locked up and the motor shut off.
Damn, sounds like she's running pretty damn good. Man, she's starting to run better and better. Hey, looks like Monster Max over here, you know, if I got her hot, eh? Oh yeah, she's hot.
If she had low range, she'd stack.
What, it's something high?
Yeah, it don't have low.
It don't have,
There's no low range.
you can't like go down to 1?
Yeah, it's just first gear, but that's still high.
Okay. Old tires are looking.
Yeah, dude. Do low range and
Back
force,
up.
she'd get through there.
Swap it.
Watch out. Watch the fire.
Might be a little low on training fluid.
You got a fire extinguisher?
Oh, yeah, inside. It's alright, it's not hot enough.
Woo! Tranny was hot, boy!
No, it's not hot. No, the fluid's not hot at all. I may have
Just
overfilled it.
overfilled it?
Well, we've never driven it.
It's hot. It's smoking down here when it's in the right.
Well, no, that's coming off the headers. That's directly off the headers right here. What?
It smells like celery. It does.
What does that mean?
Alright, over here at the playground, we're about to load this up. Get it on the trailer. We're gonna go ahead and get an NP205, heavy duty NP205, mounted in her. Hopefully get drive shafts made in her. This is the new trailer to the addition. 20 tons, bad son of a gun. Update you in a little bit.
Got it right.
Hopefully.
Having trouble?
All right, we had to take some different measurements, resort to the last step. We're in the middle of burning up a winch. Trying to get a ratchet strap on it to help the winch and get this bastard up here because it doesn't want to run. All right, finally got her on there. A little bit of cussing, a little bit of fighting. Got her chained down, we should be good to go. All right, over here, we got the truck unloaded. Smoker's rolling. This was completely filled with everything. You know, so we're trying to make room so we can get to this and put that truck right here and weld everything in. Transfer case is coming out of That old buggy looking thing back there. And going in that baby right there. Got the truck. Fixing to go in the shop. We're gonna go take a little tractor ride, go check out the river. What you think, Mike? All right, check this thing out, fellas. This thing here is what we're pulling the NP205 out of. It is currently sitting on 2.5 ton Rockwells.
It's only sitting on one.
But it's missing the front. We're gonna cut the drive, we're gonna bolt drive shaft, unbolt drive shaft, pull that thing out of there, and get it ready to go in the blue truck. Look at that jack stand, whatever you want to call it. But this thing here, you got a 454, an Allison transmission.
10-foot tall, bulletproof.
We got one bottle and something else that we're about to blow ourselves up with. Stay tuned.
Big dog, beefage.
That bracing that we have on the transfer case right now is not going to work.
Yay.
We have to cut it open and kind of spread it out because it's not going to be wide enough for this frame.
Well, good thing I'm a fan of spreading stuff out.
Yeah, baby, spread her wide.
Oh, it's gonna be perfect. You sound like an old steamboat, man.
We're going to have to move it forward or no?
See how tight these surfaces are. Dude, I had to hit them with the ball peen hammer. Oh, that one just came right apart. The other ones were stuck on there like glue, bro.
You're saying cut the Turbo 400 flange flat and make a 2.5 ton Rockwell custom flange to go on it, just to basically have a Rockwell output on the Turbo 400, if I'm picking that up correctly.
Yeah, that's how I did that one.
That's what's up. Custom with a K.
NP205 need the beefy transfer or beefy drive shaft we got is not gonna work out with our flange on the transmission. So right there, pulled it off, brought it over to the table. That's what we're trying to mate to. That's what we got. So our plan of attack here is chop this off right in here, weld it onto this as an adapter for that. We'll tune you up in a minute.
All right, guys, we got a lot of lathe work that we're gonna have to do. We have to make custom adapters, and we gotta resurrect this thing. Let's see if we can get this thing cleaned up and operational.
Look at that circle. There's our adapter. All right, we got our stuff cut off. Pattern there. We got to cut a hole in it tomorrow. Cut this flush. Weld these two together. And then we're going to go get that lathe over there going. Be able to true it out. And we in business.
Couldn't have cut that any better.
So what you think on, do we need to grind that? Or is it gonna sit flush? I mean, it sits good on there just like it is. What you think? What you think?
That's got to be cut.
All right, another day over here. We just showed up over here. Keith's out there on a tractor. These are some new puppies. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, the good boy. Haven't seen y'all before. Dude, check Keith out, brother. This is the yoke into the transmission, and we are fixing to make it. That's our adapter. He did all this while we were gone, bro. Hell yeah, check that out. Shout out to Keith, bro. Yeah, there we go. Buy a mud truck, they said. They're fun. Until you gotta work on it and you got 10 pounds of dirt and bolts in areas it doesn't belong. What are we doing? All right, so I'm really concerned about this bolt. Oh, what you got for me, Mike? Thank you, sir. I'm really concerned about this one here coming out. It's pretty marred out. Let's see. There she is. Nice. I'd say the seal's no good, bud. Got her off. Next is cut it. I don't know. We might have to find out. This might be something different. Crusty. So, screwing the nut on here. I was like, oh. Damn. It's all right. We'll let it ride. Got Michael out here. All right. Got under here. Had to cut the exhausts so we can hang the transmission. Pipes out, accomplished. Now, welding plates here and behind me here to brace the frame for the transmission, or the transfer case, sorry. Okay, making it happen. Transfer case is suspended, hanging in the air. Tail shaft of the transmission with the adapters on there. Just got to drill our holes, but we're going to use a clamp to hold our drive shaft in line, get our drive shaft in line, and get this sucker welded up in there. All right, we made good progress. We got this hanging. We got our other two adapters cut out. Just need to get them on the lathe. Brace this bad mammy jammy in there. Let's see. That fucking adapter looks sweet. Look at that. Look at that. We are almost there. Guys, please do me a favor. Go on there, give us some comments. Tell us what you like to see, what you don't like to see. Y'all's fuel supports this and keeps us going. Give us a like, subscribe. All y'all can do, man. We appreciate everything. Please, it's me. Holy shit!
Kind of readjust the door. A little sag in her. Jack from 1883. She's still a giver though.
The suction. No movement. Shoot, we're almost there. Hell yeah. Okay, update out here. Working on them together now. We got them in the same location. Oh, buddy, do I got something for y'all right here. We'll let you update you on this first. So, drive shaft. Transfer case, mounted, boom, boom. Supported, tough as nails, baby. Our adapters worked out great. Drive shaft's in. Might have to get a little bit of a longer one. This is just something that we scavenged. It's bolted in there, but we might not have enough stuff in this shaft. We gotta play with that and see. Other than that, we definitely don't have one for the back, but we got the adapter done. Just need to make it up here to the transfer case. We are almost there. Also, on the inside, bucket's made and a box. Ready to roll with it, baby. We're moving. Look at these bad mammy jammies.
All right, we found $50 a piece for all these tires. $200 for 4.
Yep.
They all drain a certain way to go.
Okay.
Maximize the water flow and stuff.
Yeah.
And then we put new pipe
Unfreaking believable. All right, guys, another night. We're over here, got the tractor rims separated, tubes out. Again, making adapters for these now too. We're gonna cut this out right here, take these, weld them in, and then set them up for the 6-lug Chevy. Cut it out, cut it out. We're gonna be riding on 50s, baby. Update you in a little bit. All right, guys, out here again, another night in. We got some welding to do. We gotta put 3 beads all the way around each hub, each center. 3 beads, we're gonna weld them out, set you up with a time lapse. Back out here again, another day in. We've got some pan that we're beating around, trying to massage into place, you know. We're gonna go ahead and self-tapper it. That's covering the hole we cut for the transfer case. We got all the rims are welded. Cody's helping me today.
What's up?
So we got all the rims here welded. All of them got 3 passes on both sides. Them fuckers ain't moving. Now we are working on seats. We are cutting some flat steel to go there and there. And I got the sliders here. And then we will make frames just like talking about here. I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up. Let y'all watch what we got going on.
What we got going on over here, Ron Dog? What you got over here, dude?
Well, we got our seat bases finally made up. A little fabrication here, you know, courtesy of Cody today. We need to go ahead and fab up the driver's seat so I can drive this. Hey, dang.
Lounge out in that.
What?
He ain't lounging nowhere.
No, not like that. What's wrong with that old man Ronald? Like, no. Hey, easy. That ain't for big girls, though. Look.
Yeah.
Look how much hanging over the back. Yeah, yeah, about there.
Anywhere.
Right there. How does it look for room in the back?
Just enough. It'll be tight, but they're gonna work. You can cram people back there. That's all people are gonna want to do anyway. It's gonna be so cool, and you're gonna have to get them out to ride in anything decent anyway. So.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for part 1 of the mud truck budget build. Let's go over what we've done. We've got seats installed, custom bases, transfer case hung and installed, front drive shafts hooked up and ready to go.
With them adapters.
Custom milled by our boy Keith. We got our back adapter in place and ready to go. Just picked up the drive shaft to mount inner.
All he's gonna do is just throw that in. I'm sure you don't need to see him putting 4 bolts in. Now we gotta do some cleanup.
Yeah, we got a lot of cleanup to do around here. This thing here has been fighting us tooth and nail. Y'all, let me tell you something. We have got 24-inch custom by your boy and Keith rims coming for this, waiting for them at the machine shop. 50-inch tractor tires are going on this thing, y'all. Y'all go ahead and throw a comment in and tell me what color should we paint the rims? Should we try to torch some design out of that thing or what?